Welcome sa ating Master VA Academy. Ang topic natin today is creating an online jobs account. So preparing you for how to create or like set up the account, or maybe if you have okay, what is Online Jobs PH? So Online Jobs PH is a platform connecting employers with Filipino virtual assistants and freelancers. Creating an account allows you to find remote jobs opportunities in various industries. So niches or industries are just the same. So steps to create an account. So let's just go to onlinejobs.ph and then click job seeker sign up. Fill your name, information, verify your email address, complete your profile with personal info and professional photo daw. Gawin natin ngayon, create tayo ng Gmail account kasi wala pa tayong Gmail account. So let's click that. Business na lang yung ilagay ko, pero you can choose personal if you want. So ito lang, Gmail lang yung gamitin ko. So yung name, ito lang, you can put or pwede mo ilagay yung name mo. And then, sample account lang naman to. So, pwede ka mag-skip dito if alam mo na to paano gawin. Pero kung hindi pa, you can go ahead and do this one. So, etong date of birth, lagay ko lang. Yan. So, ito lang gamitin ko. And then, sa password. So, yan. Skip na lang muna yan ngayon. Yan. I agree lang tayo. Para makakreate tayo ng free online jobs account. Okay. So, meron na tayong free Gmail account. Tapos, ganun lang paano gumawa ng Gmail account. So, meron na tayo. Gawin natin ngayon. Ano sabi niya? Okay, dismiss na lang muna for now. Tapos ngayon, punta akong onlinejobs.ph. Try lang natin gumawa. Ito, sign up. Tapos, lagay daw natin yung email address na ginawa natin. Copy ko lang. Tapos, yung password. So, lagay lang natin I am a Filipino. Ikaw sa password mo dapat may big letter na isa, 6 characters, and then may icons siya. So, give me 1 second. So, register na natin. Make sure lang natin na naka I am not a robot tayo, and then na-check natin lahat ng information kasi yun yung policy nila. Tapos email, and then yung set up password nila. Save niyo yung password Don't forget about that. So, pwede nyo naman tong i-save. Wag na lang muna. So, yun, registration success daw. Congratulations, the account has been created daw. Let me check muna bago ko siya i-close. Confirm registration to your inbox and click the confirmation link. Wala tayong nilagay talaga na complete name natin doon. So, I assume, wait lang, open ko lang muna bago ko siya i-close kasi may option ako to close it. Pero dito sabi niya baka hindi natin na-receive, so make sure lang natin ha, refresh ko lang. Yun, so it took a while lang. So yan, ito yung confirmation niya. Email confirmation. So you have been registered. To confirm, click mo lang daw yan. So ayun, view my account, start with my job hunt. So login lang muna tayo. Congratulations, okay na tayo. So ngayon, maglo-login tayo. Kasi nakapag-sign up naman na tayo. Remember, ano yung password mo, tsaka yung email mo. So, ayun. Na-save na siya kasi sinave natin kanina. So, ayun. Incomplete profile daw. Complete my profile. So, tell us about you and take this opportunity to show off your skills. Write a paragraph and employment skills. Don't just write a list. So, write something that will demonstrate to an employer how knowledgeable you are. So, dito, kung meron kang resume, like for example, ito, try natin to kanina. So, upload lang natin. Tapos, naandito tayo ngayon. Create lang daw tayo ng profile. Title nyo, more guidance. Ito, basahin nyo lang. Tas dito, kung anong niche yung napili nyo. Marami tayong option ng niche, so doon lang kayo mag-refer. And then yung description ng niche nyo din is go to ChatGPT lang. For example, operations manager yung napili nyo. For example, account manager yung napili nyo, or digital marketing specialist, or lead generation specialist. Yung description na naandito, punta ka lang kay ChatGPT. So, yan. Tapos, like let's say, yung napili nyo is same lang. Close ko na to kasi okay naman na tayo. So, like yung napili nyo is ito, digital marketing specialist. Marketing. Okay, this is like really important when you are creating a description na dapat maging attentive ka. So, puntahan lang natin yan. So, ito, tell me about yourself. So, since marketing specialist yung nilagay natin, pwedeng digital, degree, ikaw, if graduate ka or high school ka pa lang, or again, if you're a student, so depende na kung saan mo ilagay. So, lagay natin dito, associate degree, looking for full-time, ganyan. So, magkano ba yung hours of work in a day na gusto mo? Like, let's say, 8 hours ka available. Yung salary mo is, like, let's say, maybe start ka na $3, so 150 per hour. So, yan. Tapos, birth year mo, like, let's say, 1994. You're a female. And then, yes, willing to use. So, yan. Complete mo lang. The information was not submitted. Please check the errors below. So, yan. Hindi siya na-submit. Rate your skills. So, okay. So ito, I think kailangan natin i-update yung ating resume, but you already got the idea. So once you've created your profile, rate your skills, view available jobs na. So, your name na lang natin muna ito. So, gawin nating digital marketing resume. So, okay, ito yung magiging steps. So, after create ka lang ng profile mo and then rate your skills. So, yung sa skills naman na naandito siya, ito yung mga nasa skills. Ito, kailangan mo lang ma-make sure. Ito yung profile ko. So, i-add mo pa kasi lahat ng mga information mo. Pero, yung skills is ito. So, saan ka ba magaling? Marami naman tayong niche. So, ikaw na bahala mag-update dito. And again, ChatGPT mo lang if hindi mo siya alam. And again, study them before applying. Okay? So, ikaw nang mag-update ng skills mo kung saan siya nababagay. So, ito lang naman usually. Tapos, pag naset up mo na yun, pwede ka nang makapag-apply gamit yung job board ng online job.